how to use logical connectors in a sentence. So I used an independent clause, and then I used a logical connector to connect it to another independent clause. Okay, so I think could be used on its own, and I am could be used on its own, but you can put therefore in the middle to connect them and make a longer sentence. I'm hungry. However, I'm not ready to eat. Okay, so in Italian, we have io penso, quindi io sono. Okay, I think, therefore I am. Where have we heard that before? Ho fame, comunque non sono pronto per mangiare. Okay, I'm hungry, however, I'm not ready to eat. Okay, so like I said, it just basically glues two sides together. It puts two, in this case, independent clauses together to form one complete thought.